Yo, what's up guys, Infinite Skills here, and today I'll be showing you how to change your username on Twitter in 2021. Now before the video starts, make sure to comment below what you think of my new profile picture. I changed it yesterday, just to get something different, but without further ado, let's get into this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is of course open up Twitter, and you will be taken to your home page. You are then going to want to select the three bars in the top left corner of your screen. Up will come a screen like this, and you're going to want to hit Settings and Privacy towards the bottom of your screen. You are then going to want to select Account, which is up the top underneath your current username, and then select Username, which is once again up the top. It will take you to a screen like this with your current username and ask you to confirm that you want to change your username. You're going to want to select Continue, and then you can type up the new username that you want. I'm just gonna put an underscore in between my name just to show that it does change. And as you can see, if I click my profile, my name has changed. Now if you want to change that display name, I will just show you quickly. You're just going to want to select Edit Profile from here, and there you go, like straight away there's your name, and you can change that there. But that's it. Thanks for watching guys. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also comment below what videos you want to see from me in the future, but I'll see you next time guys. Goodbye.